Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is one of the best hidden spy cameras with audio available on the market, the DIVINEEAGLE Full HD Dome Camera. This device is not only a high-quality pet cam but also a versatile security camera designed to give you peace of mind with effortless surveillance. The DIVINEEAGLE Dome Camera features a sleek, compact design that looks more like a regular plug-in charger than a surveillance device, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any environment. Its full HD 1080p resolution ensures that every detail is captured clearly, making it ideal for monitoring your home, pets, nanny, or even an office space. The camera boasts a wide 106-degree angle lens, which expands the field of view to minimize blind spots and maximize coverage. Setting up this camera is remarkably simple and user-friendly. There's no need for Wi-Fi or complicated software. Just insert a micro SD card, plug the device into any power outlet or power bank, and it starts recording instantly. This plug-and-play approach makes it highly reliable and secure since it stores data locally on the SD card, eliminating risks associated with cloud storage or network hacking. Motion detection is another smart feature built into this device. Once it senses movement within its range, the camera automatically starts recording. This means you don't have to worry about sifting through hours of footage, only important events get captured. Plus, it operates quietly and discreetly, making it perfect for nanny cams or keeping an eye on your pets without causing any disturbance. The camera records in MJPEG format, offering smooth video playback, and the recorded footage can be accessed easily via the included USB cable or card reader. Whether you want to view the video on a laptop, PC, or mobile device, this camera makes it straightforward without needing any dedicated app or Wi-Fi connection. It's compatible with most devices thanks to its plug-in USB connectivity and simple file access. Despite its powerful features, the DIVINEEAGLE Dome Camera remains compact and lightweight at under an ounce. Its dimensions are small enough to remain inconspicuous while providing full-time video capture. It runs on corded electric power, which means you don't have to worry about batteries dying or constant recharging. One of the standout benefits of this camera is its focus on privacy and data protection. Since it doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, your footage remains local and under your control. This design makes it an excellent choice for anyone concerned about digital security or looking for a hassle-free monitoring solution that doesn't depend on internet connectivity. This product is perfect for a wide range of uses, from pet monitoring and nanny cams to security in hotels or offices. The simplicity of operation combined with high-quality video makes it accessible to users of all technical levels. Inside the box, you'll find the pet camera itself. Keep in mind you will need to provide your own micro SD card as it's not included. With its easy setup, reliable recording, and discreet design, the DIVINEEAGLE Full HD Dome Camera delivers everything you'd expect from a premium hidden spy camera with audio capabilities. If you're looking for a trustworthy, no-fuss security camera that provides clear Full HD video, motion detection, and keeps your data safe without Wi-Fi, this could be the perfect addition to your home or office. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.